Hello, teacher.
Hello. Can you please turn on your video?
Okay.
Hello, Luke. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, teacher.
Okay, so how are you? How are
I'm
you?
happy.
You're happy. Okay, you are happy. So, yesterday or last night, I wasn't able to meet you because we have typhoon here in my country and we don't have electricity. That's why we see each other today in this afternoon. Okay, so I am also happy to see you. Okay, so may I ask you, are you ready to learn?
Yes.
Yes, you are ready to learn. Okay, now here. So I want you to look at me every time we will have discussion of the lesson so that you will learn. Okay? Understand?
Yeah.
All right. So there. Can you see teacher's screen? Can you see my screen?
Yeah.
Yes, teacher. Okay. Now we will start our lesson for this afternoon. Okay, let's wait for a few seconds. It's loading. Okay, there you go. So welcome to Pen Kids. All right.
Okay.
Oh, there. There. Can you see my screen? Can you see my screen, Luke?
Yeah.
Yes. So what lesson are we now? What lesson?
It's 9.
Point. This is
9.5.
okay. You will say we are now on lesson 9.5. Again, what will you say? We are now, go. Say it. We are now, follow teacher. We are now
We are now
on lesson
on lesson
9.5.
9.5.
Yes, so we are now on lesson 9.5, which is again adjectives. What is lesson 9.5?
Adjective.
Okay, adjectives, because there's a lot of things that we have to learn in adjectives. Okay, now we are on lesson 9.5, adjectives, and it is about what? Look at this one. What is this? About, what's this?
About sheep pen.
Ah, it's shapes. Again?
Shape.
Oh, there's S. Shapes. Again?
Sheep.
Oh, there's S in at the last part. You have to pronounce S like this. Shapes. Again?
Shape.
Where's the S on the last part? Look at teacher. Look at teacher. Shapes. Again?
Shape.
All right. Very good. Okay, again, can you say it one more time? Shapes. Again?
Shape.
All right. Very good. So, do you know what is shapes? Do you know? Shapes? Hello? Do you know shapes?
No.
No. Okay. So since you don't know shapes, so teacher will help Luke to learn shapes. All right?
All right.
Okay, very good. So lesson 9.5 is about adjectives in a form of shapes. Okay, here we go.
Sheep.
Okay, there. Okay, can you say it?
Square.
Square. Again, another one. Square.
Square.
Oh, very good. Next word. Next word about shapes. Oh, what is that?
Run.
Round. Again.
Round.
Okay, you have to open your mouth so that you will say it properly. Like teacher, round. Again.
Round.
All right, round. Next. Next, we have here. Oh, what is that? Triangular. Again.
Triangular.
Oh, you will say triangular. Again.
Triangular.
Okay, triangular is like this. Like a pyramid, triangular. Next, we have, oh, what's that? This one, what is this? Oh, what is that?
Is
Look at this one. Oval. Again.
over.
Again, oval.
Over.
Oval. Not her. Letter L. Oval. Again.
Over.
Oval. Again.
Over.
Oh, oval. Okay, now here, before we proceed to the next slide, I want you to say it again. Look at my mouse. What shape am I pointing? Please read. What's this?
Square.
Square. Very good. In saying square perfectly. Very good. This one.
Road.
Again?
Road.
Oh, it's not round. It's round. Again.
Round.
Yes. Round. Again.
Round.
Oh, you have to pronounce the letter N and letter D. Again. Round. Again.
Round.
Okay, very good. You say it perfectly. Please don't forget to pronounce the words properly because after this, I will ask you to say it again. So I want you to say it perfectly, okay?
Okay.
Oh, how about this one? Very good. This one. How to say this? Triangular. Again.
Triangular.
Oh, again. One time. Triangular. Again.
Triangular.
Okay, very good. Another one. Triangular. Go.
Triangular.
Oh, again. Another one. Triangular. Again.
Triangular.
All right. Triangular. Next. What is this? How about this shape?
Over.
Oval. Again.
Oval.
Again.
Oval.
Oval. Oval.
Oval.
Again.
Oval.
Okay. So, square, we have here square, we have round, we have triangular, and we have oval. Okay, good. Next. Okay, what is this?
A square table.
Again, a square table. Again.
A square table.
Okay, what is the color of the square table?
It's brown.
It is brown. Again?
Again.
It is brown.
Brown.
Say it. Again, say it. It is brown.
It is brown.
All right. It is brown. Next, look at this one. Look at the square. So look at the square. So again, shapes, listen to me. Shapes have different form. Okay, they have different form. In this picture, look at the square. Look at the square. Not square. Look at the table here. Look at one. This one is what we called as square. Do you know why it is called square? Because square has 4 sides. Okay? One, look at teacher. Look at teacher. Look at teacher because teacher is doing here. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. All right. This is called square because square has 4 sides, like 1, 2, 3, 4. Understand?
Yeah.
Okay. And another thing. They are also called square because the sides has same size. Okay. Every side is the same. Nothing is small or short. There's no side that is long. They are the same in size. Look at the picture. In here, look at this one. This side from this edge going to there, this one first side. This one going there is the second side. And listen, and they have the same size. All right? This one has same size. This one is also the same with the first one. Again, how many sides does a square have? How many sides? How many
4
sides?
sides.
4 sides. Do they have the same sides? Do they have the same sides? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes, very good. Okay, square has 4 sides with the same size, same measurement. Nothing is short and nothing is long. They are all the same. Listen to me, if the first side is short, the second side is also short. The third side is short. And the fourth side is also short. Understand? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. That is what I want you to remember if we are talking about square. Okay? Square. But listen to me, teacher. Listen to teacher. But if the sides are not the same, then it's not a square. Okay?
Okay.
Very good. Fast learner. Okay, remember that. I will ask you before we end. So you have to remember everything I say. Understand?
Yes.
Yes, good job. Next. Oh, what is this? What is in the picture?
It's an oval face.
All right, an oval face. Oh, oval face is like the shape of an egg. Have you seen an egg? Egg? Look, have you seen an egg? Egg, chicken egg.
It's oval egg.
Ah, an egg is an oval like this. Look at me. Oval. Yes, very good. Look, that is oval. Look at the shape, the face of the woman. The face of the woman is an oval. That
Oval.
is an example of oval. Very good.
Oval.
Again, say the word oval.
Oval.
Val. Letter L. Oval. Again.
Oval.
All right. Don't forget what is oval. Next. Oh, what is this?
It's format.
This one, what's this? What food is this? Do you know this kind of food? What food is this?
Shy.
Triangular.
Triangular.
Again, triangular. Again.
Triangular.
Again, triangular.
Triangular.
Okay. A triangular. This one. What's this? What's this?
Pies.
Pieces. Again.
Pieces
Oh, pieces. This one.
of
Of. What's this?
cheese.
Cheese. Do you know what is a cheese?
Cheese.
Yeah, this one, this picture is an example of cheese. But look at the shape of the cheese. What is the shape of the cheese? What's the shape? Shape. It's this one. Let's read.
Triangular.
Very good. Can you say the word triangular 5 times to teacher? Because teacher wants to hear how you say the word triangular. Go. Say triangular. Go.
Triangular is 3 sides.
Again, say triangular, triangular, triangular. Because I want you to practice saying it again and again. Go.
Triangular. 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 Triangular.
Okay, triangular. So, how many sides does a triangular has? How many sides? Look at this one.
3 sides.
Wow, very good. 3 sides. Yes, you are correct. So, if you saw something that has 3 sides, like 1, 2, 3, then that is a triangular object. Again, triangular. Again.
Triangular.
Okay, can you read it again to teacher? This phrase, please read. Read this one, read. This one. A triangular pieces of cheese. Again.
A triangular piece of cheese.
Oh, this one. How to say this one? Pieces. Again.
Pieces.
Okay, when we say the word pieces, that is the number of how many cheese are there. Okay? Is it 1 piece, 2, 3, 4, 5, or more? That is pieces. How many? Okay? Pieces says, how many are there? So again, please read again. Go, read. A triangular pieces of cheese. Go.
A triangular
This one.
piece of cheese.
Ah, cheese. Again.
Cheese.
Cheese. Again. Pronounce the letter S. You have to say the word S. Cheese. Again. Look at it. Ah, cheese. Say it.
Cheese.
Cheese. There's S. Cheese.
Cheese.
All right. How about pieces? Say it. Pieces. All right. Pieces. Good. Now next. Okay. We have here structure. So how will you describe a thing using shapes? Look at this picture. If someone will ask you, what is it? What will your answer? What will be your answer, Luke? This one.
It is a square table.
Oh, you say square again. Square. Say it.
Square table.
Okay. Square table. Good job. Next. Oh, look at the face of the boy. Look at the face of the boy. Look. Here. Where are you? Okay. Look at the boy in the picture. So what?
Square.
What can you say to the face of the picture or of the boy?
A boy is square face.
Okay. So you will say a square face. Again, a square face.
A square face.
Look at your face. Look. Is your face square like the boy? Look at your face. Your face. Is your face square like the boy? Look at your face. Your face the same with the boy? Look at the boy's face. It has 4 corners. 1, 2, 3, 4. How about Luke's face? Your face. Look at your face. Do you have square face? Yes or no? Your face. Your face. Square? Yes or no? Yes? No?
Yes.
Yes? Look at your... Oh, you touch your face, Beth. You touch your face. Does no. Yes, your face is not square because your face has no sides. Right? I told you a while ago that square has 4 sides. 1, 2, 3, 4. Square. But your face, look, don't have sides. Your face is oval. Okay? Look. Your face is oval, not square. But this boy has square face. Okay? Okay. Look at my mirror here. I have here a mirror. Okay. What is the shape of the mirror? Shape. Look at the mirror of teacher. What is the shape of teacher's mirror? What is this?
It's square.
Very good. Very good. Okay. So teacher's mirror is square because it has 4 sides. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right. Next. Very good. Okay, look at this cake. Okay, look at this cake. Oh, wrong spelling, please. Okay, look at the cake. Look at the cake. What is the shape of the cake? What is the shape of the cake? Look at the cake.
It is a shape of the cake.
Oh, what is the shape? Square, triangular, or oval?
Triangular.
Okay, so you will say a triangular piece of cake. Look at the spelling of piece. It's wrong. It should be I. It's not letter A. Okay, look at the spelling here. It should be P-E-I-C-E, not letter A, because it is another word. So again, what is the cake shape? So a triangular piece of cake. Say it again. Please read again. Read. Read.
A triangular
Piece.
is
Piece. Not is. Piece. Piece. Again.
piece
Yeah. Piece of
of cake.
All right. Okay. Can you say it one more time without mistake? Say it one more time without mistake. Go.
A triangular
Piece.
piece of cake.
Very good. You got it. Smart kid. Now look at the candy.
A round.
A round. So round could be named also as
A round shirt.
okay.
Candy.
Look at this one. Round and circle are the same. A while ago, we talked about round. Now we have here circle. Again, circle.
Circle.
Oh, yes. So you will say a circle sweet candy. Again,
Again.
a circle. This one. A circle sweet.
A circle.
What's this? This one.
A circle.
This one. Sweet. Again.
Sweet candy.
Oh, candy. Again.
Candy.
Okay, again. Say it with perfect. Oh, no mistake. Come on, say it. A circle, sweet candy. Go.
A circle. Sweet candy.
All right, a circle, sweet candy. Right. Okay, next. We have here, look at the mirror. What is the shape of the mirror? What's the shape?
A mirror is oval.
All right, very good. You know the shape. So you will say an oval mirror. Again,
Again.
an oval mirror. Go.
Oval mirror.
An. It's not a.
An oval mirror.
Okay, an oval mirror. Next. All right. All right. Let's try to this one. I want you to say this again because I want you to say the words properly. Okay, now, what is this?
Square.
This one.
Row.
This one.
Triangular.
Okay, this one.
Oval.
Oh, what shape is this?
A square.
Okay, how about egg? What's the shape of the egg?
Shape.
Egg, chicken egg. What's the shape of the chicken egg?
Egg.
Oh, what's the shape of an egg? Is it square, round, triangular, or oval? Egg.
Oval.
Oval. How about ball? Ball.
Round.
Round. How about a piece of cake?
A triangular.
All right, good job. Now here, we still have time, so let's proceed to the next lesson. Very good in shapes. You're already good in shapes. Now here, this one. Let's go to adjectives. That is about country. You know what is country? You know what is country? Country is the place you live. Where do you live? Are you living in Japan or in Vietnam? Where do you live? Look. What place do you live? Look. Japan or Vietnam? Hi.
Hi.
Oh, where do you live? Japan or Vietnam?
Japan.
Oh, Vietnam.
Vietnam.
Oh, yeah, Vietnam. So you will say, I live in Vietnam. Okay? What will you say? I live in Vietnam. Go. Look. Hi.
Vietnam.
All right. So Luke lives in Vietnam. How about teacher? You ask teacher. Where do you live, teacher? You ask me. Ask me. Say it. Where do you live, teacher? You ask me, teacher. Follow teacher. Where do you live, teacher? Say it. You want to know where I live?
I live.
Teacher, how about you? Look, I will say, I live in Vietnam. Go.
I live in Vietnam.
In, not on. I live.
Vietnam.
All right. Luke lives in Vietnam. Teacher, look at me. Teacher, I will say, I live in Philippines. Philippines. Again?
Philippines.
Okay. Now, our lesson now is about what do you call to people that lives in the country? Okay? People. What do you call to the people that lives in that country? Now, first. Oh, what is that? Say it. Oh, follow. Can you read this one?
Vietnamese.
Oh, Vietnamese. Oh, Luke is Vietnamese. Right? You are a Vietnamese because you are living in Vietnam.
Vietnam.
All right. Yeah, you live in Vietnam. That's why we will call you Vietnamese. Okay? Again, can you say again the word Vietnamese?
Vietnamese.
Yes. Next word. Oh, what is this?
American.
Oh, American. So we will call the people living in America as American. What do we call them? American. Go.
American.
All right, American. Next. Chinese. Can you say the word?
Chinese.
Yeah. People living in China are called as Chinese. Okay?
Chinese.
Yes. Okay. Next word. Thai. Again. Say it. Thai.
Hi.
Okay. We call the people in Thailand as Thai. Okay. I will write here. Okay. Vietnam. Oh, you are Vietnamese. So here, people in America. All right. This one.
Cheese.
All right, wait. This one, Chinese are the people living in China. Okay?
China.
Yes. This one. Thai. These are the people that lives in Thailand. Can you say the country?
Thailand.
Yes.
Thailand.
Yeah, Thailand. Next. Japanese. Listen. Japanese are the people living in Japan. Get it? Oh, so what do you call to people that lives in Vietnam? What do they call?
Vietnamese.
Yes, very good, Vietnamese. How about the people living in America?
American.
Wow, good job. How about the people living in Thailand?
Thai.
Very good. Super intelligent. Next, how about to the people that lives in Japan?
Japan.
Oh, people lives in Japan. What do you call them?
Japanese.
Japanese. Good job. Japanese. How about the people in China?
Chinese.
Chinese. Good job. Okay, let's try this one without, I will erase, look at me. I will erase the country, I will erase the country and you will tell me, okay? One more time. Let's review one more time before I ask you. Okay, what do you call the people that lives in Vietnam? Lives in Vietnam. What do you call to them? What do you call to them? People in Vietnam, they are? Look at me.
They are.
They are? What do you call to them?
They are Vietnamese.
Yes, Vietnamese. How about the people in China? People in China, they are? Hello, people in China, they are?
They are Chinese.
Chinese. How about people in Thailand? Thailand, they are?
Thai.
Thai. Very good. How about the people in Japan?
Japanese.
Japanese. The people in America.
American.
Okay, let's try. I will delete this one. I will erase the writings. Now tell me without looking at the countries. Now look, what do you call to people that lives in Thailand?
Thai.
Thai. Good job. How about to the people that lives in Japan?
Japanese.
Japanese. Good job. How about the people who lives in America?
American.
Very good, American. How about the people who lives in China?
China. Chinese.
Chinese. How about the people that lives in Vietnam?
Vietnamese.
Vietnamese. Good job. So we will continue this one on Monday because this one is a long lesson. Okay. I will, look at me, I will ask you about this on Monday. I'll try to check if you still remember what I say. Okay. Look at me. Okay. Look at me. Okay. Hello?
Okay.
Okay, but before we end, I will ask you again about the shapes because our lesson a while ago was about shapes. So what are the shapes that we talked about a while ago? What are those shapes? Shapes.
Sheep.
Oh, what are those shapes? The one with 4 sides. Look at this one. What shape is this?
Square.
Square. Very good. Another one. What else? What else?
Square.
Square.
Oval.
Oval.
Triangular.
Triangular. And
Round.
what is it?
Round.
Round. Again, round.
Round.
Oh, when you say, look at me, look at me, look at me. When you say the word round, you have to also make your mouth round. Open your mouth. Show me your mouth. Round again.
Round.
Oh, pronounce letter N and letter D. Next, how about the word triangular? Go. Say it. Triangular.
Triangular.
Again.
Round.
Triangular. No, I want you to say triangular 5 times. Okay?
Triangular.
Next.
Triangular.
Next.
Triangular.
Next.
Triangular.
Next.
Triangular.
Very good. Good job. Next, how about the word round? 5 times. Round. Go. Round.
Round.
Another one. Round. Round. Again.
Round.
Oh, another one. Round.
Round.
Another one.
Round.
Another one.
Round.
Okay. How about, look at me. Look at me. There is still one word that you mispronounced a while ago. The word pieces. Pieces. Say it.
Round.
No, pieces. Go. Pieces. Follow teacher. Pieces. Say it. Pieces.
Pieces.
Oh, pieces. Say it.
Pieces.
Another one. Pieces. Say it. Pieces.
Pieces.
Another one. Pieces.
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 Okay, very good. You said it properly. So remember, on Friday, I will review you on the people that lives in different countries. The Japanese. What else? Japanese.
Japanese.
What else? Vietnamese.
Vietnamese. American. Japanese.
Ah, done with Japanese.
Chinese.
Chinese. What else? People in Thailand.
Thai.
Thai. Also, those are the words that I will review you on the next meeting. So that would be all for today, and goodbye.
Bye.
Okay, see you on Monday. Bye-bye.